Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to remove green screen in VN. So here I've already opened the VN apps and I already add a video to my VN editor page. And in this editing, I'm going to add the green screen overlay first. So I'm going to click on the tab to add sticker, choose video or photo, and then I'm going to add this green screen right here. I'm going to make it big first so that it will be visible to you. So I'm going to show you how to remove the green screen in this overlay. So what you guys can do is you find the chroma option at the bottom, click on that, and then put the picker to the green screen like this, and then you can adjust the intensity and also the spill. I'm going to just set it to 80, and after that click on the check icon, and just like that the green screen has been removed and it will looks like this. Okay guys, so I think that's all for me. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next videos. Bye.